Good evening, one and all. Tiny feet, boundless dream. On this special day, we celebrate the joyous journey of our little stars, where every step is a discovery and every smile is a treasure. Reverend Sister Elijah Mary, Superior and Local Manager, Vimala Hrudaya IAC School, the Chief Guest of the Day, Mrs. Usha Mary, Principal, Maria Agnes English Medium Convent School, Reverend Sister Norma Mary, Principal, Vimala Hrudaya IAC School, Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Giles Mary, Parents Representative, Dr. Shruti, Assistant Professor at SN College, Kollam, Mrs. Jacqueline Dicruz, Staff Secretary, teachers, non-teaching staffs, parents, and my beloved students. A very warm welcome to the most exciting event, the Kids Carnival 2024.
We are glad to welcome you all to this incredible gathering of joy. Here are the students of UKG with a prayer song. Heavy showers of blessing, this is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sands from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing filling, mercy drops of falling, but for the showers we plead, but for the showers we plead.
Our school's educational ethos has been greatly influenced by the leadership and dedication of our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Norma Mary. It's our honor to have you as our guiding force.
With the utmost pleasure, I would like to invite our dear principal, Reverend Sister Norma Mary, for the welcome address.
A very good evening to all. Respected Reverend Sister Elijah Mary, Superior and Local Manager of our school, Mrs. Usha Mary, Principal, Maria Agnes Schools, Kuripura, Guest of the Day, Reverend Sister Giles Mary, Vice Principal, Mrs. Dr. Shruti Sriyar, Parent Representative, Mrs. Jacqueline Dicruz, Staff Secretary, beloved parents, erudite faculties, and my dear little ones. It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome you to the Kids Carnival of Vimala Hrudaya IAC School celebration. Today, we gather not just to mark the passing of another year, but to celebrate the growth, achievements, and indomitable spirit of our wonderful students. In the journey of education, each day is a stepping stone. And today, as we celebrate Kids Carnival, we reflect on the countless moments that have shaped the character and intelligent students of Vimala Hrudaya IAC School. A commitment to nurturing not just academic brilliance, but also instilling values, resilience, and a love for learning remains unwavering. As we witness the vibrant performances prepared by our talented kids, let us acknowledge the collective efforts of our dedicated academic staff who guide, inspire, and ignite the flame of curiosity with each child. Together as a community, we create an environment where dreams are not just imagined but realized. Parents, thank you for your entrusting us with the privilege of shaping your child's future. Your support is the cornerstone of our shared success. Reverend Sister Elijah Mary, Superior and Local Manager of the school, it is with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to you as the local manager of our school. Your leadership is vital to fostering a positive and enriching educational environment. We look forward to working together to ensure the success and the growth of our school community. We welcome you, dear sister, to this function. Mrs. Usha Mary, Principal, Mary Agnes School, Kuripura, Kollam. It is truly an honor and a privilege to extend a warm welcome to you, our esteemed guest, dear Usha. Mrs. Usha Mary stands as an esteemed educator in the realm of education. She holds Masters in English Literature and Bachelors in Education. She has 23 years of teaching experience, out of which 9 years as principal. We are delighted and grateful to have you with us today, gracing our event with your esteemed presence. Your expertise, experience, and guidance are as an inspiration to us all, and we are confident that your insights will add immense value to our gathering. Thank you for accepting our invitation and being a part of this special occasion. We eagerly anticipate an enlightening and memorable experience with you as our chief guest. Welcome, dear Usha ma'am, to this Kid Carnival. Reverend Sister Giles Mary, Vice Principal, it is my pleasure to extend a warm and hearty welcome to you, dear sister. We are thrilled to have someone of your caliber serving our educational community. Your wealth of experience, passion for education, and commitment to the excellence make you a valuable member of our community. Welcome you, dear sister. Dr. Shruti Siya, our parent representative, is a committed professional with a robust academic background. She has to her credit PhD in biotechnology and diverse experience in teaching and research. She served as a project associate at CSIR, NIIST. She has presented her research findings at various national and international conferences. Dear Shruti ma'am, your involvement is highly valued, and we are excited about the positive impact your insights and contributions will make on the academic journey of our students. I extend a warm welcome to you, our esteemed parent representative, Shruti ma'am. Mrs. Jacqueline D. Cruz, staff's representative. It is with great pleasure that I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you. Your dedication and willingness to represent the interest of our staff are truly commendable, and we are thrilled to have you in this important role of this school. Welcome, dear ma'am. My dear parents, a warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. We are thrilled to have you an integral part of our school community. Your involvement in your child's education is not only valued but also essential. We believe that a strong partnership between parents and the teachers is the key to creating a nurturing and enriching learning environment for our students. As parents, your support and engagement play a vital role in the success of Vimala Hridaya ISC School. We look forward to working collaboratively with you to provide the best possible educational experience for your children. Welcome, dear parents. my loving partners, great teachers, I salute you. And non-teaching staff, it is with great pleasure and enthusiasm that I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your dedication and commitment to the success of our educational institution are truly commendable. And we are delighted to have such a talented and passionate team of Vimalites. Teachers, your role is shaping the minds of our students is invaluable. Your knowledge, guidance, and care contribute significantly to the growth and development of each learner. Non-teaching staff, your behind the scenes effort are the backbone of our daily operations, ensuring a smooth and supporting environment for our students. Together as a cohesive team, we can create an atmosphere that fosters learning, collaboration, and excellence. Your contributions, big and small, are integral to the success of our school. Welcome, dear teachers and non-teaching staffs. May the coming years be filled with even more achievements, laughter, and a continued passion for learning. Once again, welcome all of you to this gathering. Happy Kids Carnival. Let us the festivities begin. Thank you all. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, get ready for a burst of energy and fun. Our little stars dance and sing, making our every move of celebration of joy. Welcome to the super duper ASISC Cultural Fest, first person of action song category 1. Wow! Happy day, it's a happy day. Sun is shining bright and day. Happy day, it's a happy day. All day we will laugh and play. Shake, 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 twist, twist, twist. Shake your heart, body like this. Oh, this is so much fun. Come and join everyone. Up and down and up and down and round we go. Left and right and soaring to and fro. Shake, 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 twist, twist, twist. Shake your heart, body like this. Oh, this is so much fun. Come and join everyone. Nod your heads up, clap your hands up, snap your fingers too. Hopping, hopping, jumping, jumping, like a kangaroo. Shake, 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 twist, twist, twist. Shake your heart, body like this. Oh, this is so much fun. Come and join everyone. Happy day, it's a happy day. Sun is shining bright and day. Happy day, it's a happy day. All day we will laugh and play. Shake, 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 twist, twist, twist. Shake your heart, body like this. Oh, this is so much fun. Come and join everyone. Thank you.
With a great delight and pride, we present the kindergarten report, a heartfelt comprehension that encapsulates the vibrant journey of our youngest learner. The report serves a testament to the growth and achievement of our KG students, a celebration of the unique and formative experience that have shaped their early years of education.
May I invite our Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Joyce Mary, to present the annual report of the current academic year.
Respected guests on the dais, dear parents, teachers and well-wishers, a warm good evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the annual day of Vimala Hridaya ISC School's KG session for the academic year 2023. As we gather here today, we reflect upon a year filled with joy, learning and achievements. The young minds of our kindergarten section have not only shown remarkable progress, but have also actively participated in a variety of events that have contributed to their holistic development. Each and every child sitting here have their own identity. The best gift a parent or teacher can give them is the opportunity to chisel their personality and instill in them the confidence needed to face tomorrow. The reopening of the kindergarten section at our school on June 7th, 2023 was a heartwarming event filled with joy and excitement. The auditorium was transformed into a vibrant and welcoming space adorned with colorful decorations aimed at enchanting our tiny tots. A highlight of the event was the delightful selfie corner, specially designed for the little ones. This creatively arranged corner and cheerful decorations, providing the perfect backdrop for capturing beautiful moments to cherish. In the spirit of celebration and to extend a warm welcome, each child was given a small toy, adding to excitement and the day even more memorable for them. Our journey began with the celebration of International Yoga Day. On June 21st, our KG students exhibited their flexibility and mindfulness through various yoga postures. The KG section enthusiastically participated 2 days annual sports on July 19th and 20th. Various sports and games were conducted to identify and encourage the budding talents among young athletes. We celebrated the feast of our principal, Sister Norma Mary, on August 5th, 2023. The little ones of KG showcased their talents, providing a variety of programs which delighted both our principal and the audience. On August 7th, we celebrated Fruits Day to create health awareness. Children brought variety of fruits and informative posters, creating a colorful display. Our Vice Principal, Sister Giles Mary, inaugurated the ceremony, and the children enjoyed the fruits they had brought. The Arts Day Fun of Fest 2023 was conducted on August 16th and 17th. The event was inaugurated with an inspiring address by Reverend Sister Saveria Mary, Principal of Special School. The festivities unfolded in 3 stages, showcasing the creativity and talents of our KG students. The Onam celebration on August 23rd was a vibrant display of cultural richness, floral decorations, and traditional performances like Onapattu, skit, and Thiruvathirakkali added colors to the festivities. Principal's Onam message resonated with the spirit of unity and celebration. The kindergarten students went on a one-day trip to the Elephant Park on September 23rd, where they had an enjoyable day filled with fun and excitement. Children's Day was marked by a lively rally where our little ones dressed up as national leaders, adding a touch of historical significance. The teachers presented a variety of entertainment programs that left a lasting impression on everyone present. In a whirlwind of excitement and joy, our little ones celebrated Managers' Day with apparelled enthusiasm. The atmosphere was electrified as Reverend Mother Exia Mary graced the occasion, spreading her warmth and love among the children. A teacher's orientation class was conducted focusing on national education policy and innovative teaching methods. Additionally, on December 2nd, an orientation by Purna Academia provided hands-on training for creative activities. In the vibrant aftermath of the COVID era, ASICSE decided to infuse the spirit of joy and cultural exchange by organizing a cultural fest zonal-wise for classes KG and 1 and 2. In a stroke of luck, our school was chosen twice consecutively as the prestigious venue for these exciting competitions. This year's Renkolsav witnessed a spectacular gathering of talent, with almost 35 schools from Kollam to Trivandrum covering on our grounds to showcase the richness of their culture and the dexterity of their young performers. Reverend Father Sylvia Anthony presided over the inaugural ceremony, and Reverend Sister Ushita Mary, General Counselor of FIH Congregation, inaugurated the event. Master Arjun Shyam, the child cine artist, was the guest of honor. The boundless energy and enthusiasm displayed by our dedicated staff and talented students deserve a resounding round of applause. Their collective efforts ensure the seamless execution of this cultural festival, turning it into memorable and enjoyable experience for all involved. In the grand tapestry of competition, our school emerged as the undisputed winner in Category 1 and secured a coveted position of runner-up in Category 2. This triumph is not just a testament to the skills of our little ones, but also a reflection of the collaborative spirit and hard work of our entire school community. Our heartfelt appreciation and gratitude extend to the parents who stood by their children and appraised the effort of their school. Your goodwill and an appreciation bring positive energy in molding the young minds. Kudos to our dedicated teachers for their tireless effort in guiding and nurturing the talents of our budding artists. As I conclude this annual report with deep sentiments of gratitude, I thank God Almighty for His benevolence, generous blessings showered upon our institution through various people and events which enable the successful completion of the academic year 2023. Also, we management express our gratitude to the parents, teachers and students for their unwavering support. The KG section of the Vimala Hridaya ICSE school is committed to nurture the young minds and build a foundation for a brighter tomorrow. Dear little champs, you are the heroes and heroines of this day. You are the center of attraction. Without you, all this pomp and show is meaningless. I welcome all our tiny tots to excel and astonish all with your mesmerizing performance. We are going to be amazing today. Wishing you all the best. Thank you all for all your attention. God bless.
A smile that radiates love to all the people around makes everyone happy. May I invite our loving and energetic Sister Leja Mary, Superior and Local Manager for the Presidential Address.
ഈ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പളായ സിസ്റ്റർ നോമ മേരി, വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സിസ്റ്റർ ജൈൽസ് മേരി, വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന മറ്റ് വിശിഷ്ട വ്യക്തികളെ, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മാതാപിതാക്കളെ, ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, കുഞ്ഞുമക്കളെ, നോൺ ടീച്ചിങ് സ്റ്റാഫ്, നിങ്ങൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ അയക്കുന്നത് നല്ല ഗുണങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാനാണ് എന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അക്ഷീണം പ്രവർത്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ കായികമായാലും മറ്റു കലാപരമായ കാര്യങ്ങളിലായാലും എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ കാര്യങ്ങളായാലും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുകയും അവരെ കൊണ്ട് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് അവരെ വളർത്തുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നതായി ഞാൻ ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ കാണുകയുണ്ടായി. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നും നല്ല സഹകരണമാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. മാതാപിതാക്കളുടെ സഹകരണമില്ലാതെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കുകയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നും നല്ല സഹകരണമാണ് കിട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇനിയും അത് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഒരു കാര്യം എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്, നിങ്ങളുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ ഈ കുഞ്ഞു പരുവത്തിൽ തന്നെ നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കുകയും അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി നല്ല ശീലങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ കയ്യിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ കിട്ടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ എന്താണ് അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് അതായിരിക്കും അവരുടെ വളർച്ചയെയും സഹായിക്കുന്നത്. സെക്കൻഡ് ചാൻസാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ കിട്ടുന്നത്. അവരും അവരുടെ പരമാവധി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ ശാരീരികവും മാനസികവും ആത്മീയമായ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ശ്രദ്ധാലുക്കളാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണുകയുണ്ടായി. ഇനിയും നിങ്ങളുടെ സഹകരണം പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Light, a symbol of prosperity and happiness. To make this day a blessed one, I invite our chief guest and other dignitaries to light the lamp.